Welcome back to eStudy India. Now we will continue with the trivial functional dependency. What is trivial functional dependency? If A determines B, then it has a trivial functional dependency if B is a subset of A. So, if B is a subset of A, it means what? That if A can be segregated into X, B, which means that B is again xb and xb determines b, it means that b is a subset of a such that a is divided into xb, right? So if right hand side is a subset of left hand side, it means there exists a trivial functional dependencies. For example, there is a table of employee id, employee name that we have already taken an example. Now if employee id and employee name, these both attributes determines employee ID, then it is a trivial functional dependency. Now, for example, if I ask what is my employee ID and the person sitting on the other side asks me what is your employee ID and employee name, tell me that, then I will tell your employee ID, then it is of no use. It is basically what I am telling, that person is also telling me the same thing. So it is a trivial functional dependency, and here we can identify that there exists some kind of redundancy in the data. Now again, if it is a complete subset means employee ID is determining employee ID. Employee name is also determining employee name. That means what? It is determining the complete attribute is determining a complete attribute, and similarly a complete name is determining the complete name. These are again trivial dependencies. Now, let us understand what are non-trivial functional dependency and how can we differentiate them from the trivial functional dependencies. Next part is non-trivial functional dependency. In this, what happens is that B is not clearly not a subset of A. Now, A intersection B is null. That means that A cannot be separated into any such attribute which intersected with B if will give any thing other than the phi or null. So, if there is no common attribute in between A and B, then it is called a complete non-trivial dependency. For example, if we ask what is the date of birth, what is my date of birth, so he will ask you what is your name. So if you will give the name, then he will tell you the date of birth. So this way you can get results using the non-trivial functional dependencies. And now we will understand how these two are different and how these two can be used in near future. Thank you.